The momentum behind Triumph Scrambler 400XC signals a confident expansion of Triumph's small-capacity adventure lineup. Built to deliver genuine Scrambler attitude with everyday usability, the 400XC blends modern engineering with rugged design cues, positioning itself as a lightweight machine ready for both urban commutes and weekend escapes. At the heart of the Scrambler 400XC sits a 398 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder four-valve DOHC engine. With an 89mm bore, 12:1 compression ratio, and refined internal geometry, the motor produces 39.5 HP at 8,000 revolutions per minute and 27.7 FTLB of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute. The power delivery is tuned for strong mid-range pull, making highway cruising and quick overtakes effortless. A smooth 6-speed gearbox paired with a wet, multi-plate slip and assist clutch ensures light lever action and confident downshifts, while the X-ring chain final drive enhances durability. The exhaust system features a stainless twin-skin header and stainless steel silencer, reinforcing the bike's premium finish while delivering a deep, purposeful note. Ride-by-wire throttle technology enables precise fueling control and supports switchable traction control, giving riders added confidence across changing terrain. Structurally, the motorcycle is built around a hybrid spine and perimeter tubular steel frame with a bolt-on rear subframe. A twin-sided cast aluminum swing arm complements the setup, balancing strength with weight efficiency. Suspension duties are handled by $43 million big piston forks, offering 150 millimeters of travel up front, while a gas monoshock with external reservoir and preload adjustment provides 150 millimeters of rear travel, ideal for absorbing uneven surfaces without compromising road comfort. Rolling on side-laced spoke tubeless wheels with Excel aluminum rims, the Scrambler 400XC features a 19-inch front and 17-inch rear setup, wrapped in Metzeler Carew street tires. Braking performance comes from a 320mm front disc with a 4-piston radial caliper and ABS, paired with a 230mm rear disc with a Brembo floating caliper. An off-road ABS mode further enhances versatility when venturing beyond paved roads. Design highlights include a painted high-level front mudguard, aluminum sump guard, lower engine bars, headlight grille, fly screen, and handguards, reinforcing its rugged personality. The analog speedometer integrates a full-feature LCD display, while a USB-C charging port and immobilizer add everyday practicality. With a seat height of 32.6 inches, wheelbase of 55.3 inches, rake of 23.2 degrees, and a wet weight of 410.1 pounds, the Scrambler 400XC maintains approachable ergonomics without sacrificing stability. A 3.4-gallon fuel tank supports extended rides, while Triumph backs the motorcycle with a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty and 12-month/10,000 service interval. Ultimately, the Scrambler 400XC represents a carefully balanced package: modern performance, authentic Scrambler styling, and practical adventure capability, engineered to deliver confidence, whether navigating city streets or exploring the road less traveled.